Quick video on it. I think should be early bird going in the background there. It's 7:09.7 this morning. Anyhow, quick video on the Kenwood TS-440. No, well, it's actually my TS-440, but had a problem with AM receive on this thing. So finally got around to doing it. I thought, let's have a look. We got the new Crow, so I thought might as well have a look and see what we can discover. So this is the IF board you're looking at the front here, top cover off, IF board. And I might just pan the camera underneath so you can see my handiwork here. You can probably guess what's broken. So there is a little transistor. So there's a little transistor here. So let me go to the schematic actually. So let's go over here to the, hang on just a second, I've got to find it here. Where is it? Here. Alright, so there's our Q9. Let me zoom out actually. So that's obviously for SSB detection there. And receive AM goes down through this capacitor here into this amplifier. Check this amplifying 9, we end up with about 1 volt peak to peak out of this. Through the diode, and I was measuring like 0.5, like 5 millivolts, like at here. And then this thing sort of was amplifying, but not a lot. And I thought, is this thing cactus? Because I was measuring more voltage in the base, but somebody actually put a resistor, and I think that's what they do in factories, put resistors in, and so that was there, and that's why the base was, sorry, the emitter was higher than the base. So anyway, so as you can see here, I put a new transistor in the back just to see what it would do. Did really nothing. It helped a little bit bring the audio up. So this is actually louder with that other transistor, but I'll put the original one back in again. It's here. It's got a center collector, so I don't have to twist wires or anything. So the collector's the center pin on this thing, I think. Yeah, it is, that's right, yeah, because there's base in the middle on both sides. Unlike most BC 55s or 549s, etc., they have the, what's the center pin there? I think it's base is center pin. Anyway, so I swapped out, still the problem, and I thought, right, so it's got to be something to do with the diode. I thought I'll check the voltage on the diode, on this little diode in here. Hang on, I'll go to the schematic. I thought you can see here, that's the little detector diode here, D30. But I'll check the diode. I could probably put the schematics up on this monitor up there, but anyway. So I thought I'd check the diode. I'll have a look and see. And just ignore that. It wasn't cracked when I had it. I tested it, I put the probe on there and there, by open circuit both ways. I thought, and I pushed it a little bit and just cracked the glass. I thought, yeah, that one's cactus. So I just selled it on a little diode on it behind it. I'm not even sure what it is. It's a 1N something or other. I don't even think it's geranium. Might not be, might be a Chinese clone, who knows. That's the other thing, when I buy geranium diodes, I'm going to have to see where I can get one. I might just use what I've got. This thing seems to be working fine. So I just got this Crow on the output, and there's a bit of a delay on the phone compared to what I can see, but I just got this probing the output of this, and the power supply's starting to play up. I've got to get some new transistors for it. Hear that? That's the power supply. Anyway, I'm just receiving AM, the speaker's up there. I'll go to 400 Hertz. See the nice 400 Hertz tone on there. Let's go to, yeah, and you can hear it, and you can hear the power supply humming as well. Let's turn this off, and the power supply's gone quiet. So I've got to buy some new transistors for it. Anyway, one day, might pick up some at Redfest actually. Anyway, so that's this little story with the Kenwood. I'm going to swap that transistor, put the old transistor back in again, and we'll put this, I'll see what I want to put in as a diode wise in this Kenwood. But anyway, that's the story about the Kenwood TS-440 repair with, well, no receiver, well, very weak. You turn this volume knob up all the way and you can just hear the demodulated audio, very, very distorted as well. So yeah, it helps when you have a diode in there that actually works. Alright.